This is weather no camper should lace. Today, I will survive the worst blizzard of my life and share winter tent secrets. I've never faced weather this bad. Every step is a fight against nature's fury. The V-peg provides maximal anchoring in extreme wind. Snow is not just the enemy, it's free insulation if you use it right. No! Oh. If the tent collapses, I won't last 10 minutes out there. Whoa. Layering is key. Trapped air creates a thermal barrier. Hot water bottles add vital core warmth in extreme cold. Falling asleep in the cold is deadly. You might never wake up. I survived. More importantly, I understand how to face this harsh winter. I survived. More importantly, I understand how to face this harsh winter. Hydration is paramount. Melting snow keeps you alive. Choosing this spot with natural windbreaks was critical to survival. Proper pegging technique ensures that the tent is securely anchored. This snow wall acted as a vital thermal barrier, significantly raising the internal temperature. Trapping air between layers is key to insulating against extreme cold, creating a personal microclimate. Never underestimate the allure of sleep in extreme cold. It can be a fatal trap. Don't just pitch your tent haphazardly. Find a sheltered spot or build a windbreak to minimize heat loss, as that is crucial to your survival. Don't just pitch your tent haphazardly. Find a sheltered spot or build a windbreak to minimize heat loss, as that is crucial to your survival. To survive the cold, you need to understand layering. These layers work together to prevent hypothermia, keeping you warm even when it's well below freezing.